Hello children, welcome back. We are going to be continuing with our exercise 9.3. Over here we have to simplify the given expressions using the value given to us. So, over here we have the expression 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. You have to solve this and you have to put the values of x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So, over here you have 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. This is given to us, right? So, now first you have to open the bracket C. 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. So, first of all you have to multiply this 3x with 4x and 3x with minus 5. So, 3x into 4x will become 12x square minus 5. When you multiply it with 5, 3x into minus 5 will become minus 15x plus 3 will remain as it is. That is what we have got over here. Now, we want to insert the value of what? X is equal to 3. So, in this expression wherever you have x you will put 3. So, over here I have 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So, wherever there is x you have to put 3. 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So, 12 into 9, 3 square is 9 minus what is 15 into 3? It is 45 plus 3, and when you solve this you will get 66. Similarly, over here you have to insert 1 by 2 in this expression and find out what will be the value, right? Okay. Now, we have to add these expressions, but first you will have to open the brackets and multiply these things. Okay, how do we do that? Come on, let us go one by one. Here p into p will give you p square minus p into q will become pq. So, p square minus pq, this is the first bracket. Second, q into q, q square minus q into r, qr, this is the second bracket. R into r, r square, r into minus p, minus pr, this is the third bracket. Open the brackets and you will, when you bring all the like terms together, we have already done this before. When you bring all the like terms together, you will get p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus pr. So, over here you will not be getting any like terms. So, simply you will be arranging them, right. Then we want this. So, multiply 3l with all of them 1 by 1. 3l into l, 3l square minus 3 4s are 12, 12l into m, lm. So, here minus 12 lm into 5 3s are 15 ln. This is what you will get, but this is what we are doing, we are solving the expression first. Now, we want to subtract this expression from this one. So, this will come first, and when you solve that expression you will get 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8l square minus the one that we solved just now. So, 3l square minus 12 lm plus 15 ln, and open the brackets. Now, here we have minus. So, the signs of the second bracket will change. So, here you will get 25 ln plus 5l square. So, this is the answer you will get after you open the brackets, bring the like terms together and simplify the expression. Then we have exercise 9.4 where we are going to multiply the binomials. So, over here you want to multiply 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. Again 2x into 4x, 8x square. Then you have to do 2x into minus 3, minus 6x. 4 5s are 20x, and 4 into minus 3 will give you minus 15. 8x square will remain as it is. Minus 6x plus 2x will become minus 4x plus minus 15, as it is. So, when you multiply these two binomials, you will get x square minus 4x minus 15. Then we have 1 over 1 y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Again, bring those together, multiply 1 by 1. Let us do this. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So, multiply y with 3y and then y with minus 4. So, y into 3y will give you 3y square, y into minus 4 will give you minus 4y. Do not forget the minus sign. Then minus 8 into 3y will give you minus 24y, minus 8 into minus 4 will give you plus 32, right. Then add the like terms. 3y square minus 4 minus 24 will give you minus 28y plus 32. So, this will be your answer, right. Here you have to multiply these two brackets and then add 25. This is the only difference. When you open these brackets, you will be getting this plus 25 as it is. Now, over here, see, minus 25 and plus 25 can get cancelled. So, your answer will be 3x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Then we have these two expressions you have to multiply, like we multiply binomials and then add 5. So, till here everything will remain same. The only difference is you have to add 5. So, here you have got 15. So, 15 plus 5 will become 20. Everything else is going to remain the same. Again over here, see, let us do this. T plus s square into t square minus s. T into t square will give you t cube. T into minus s will give you minus s t. S square into t square will give you s square t square. S square into s will give you minus s cube. Y minus s cube plus minus will become minus. So, here you will have t cube minus s cube minus st plus s square t square. This is your answer. Here I have simply rearranged the term. If you do not do, that is also okay. This is also your correct answer. Okay. So, I hope that the multiplication of binomials is also clear to you. Now, I will see you in our next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care.